Today, we want to address a common concern that some of you might have faced: the disappearing window cleaner. We understand how frustrating and perplexing it can be when a service provider vanishes without a trace. At RedClean, we take immense pride in being a reputable and reliable window cleaning company that prioritises our customers' satisfaction. Let's explore why you can trust us to deliver outstanding services consistently. The disappearing window cleaner dilemma. We've all been there. You hire a window cleaner, they visit your home several times, and then poof, they vanish into thin air, leaving you scratching your head and wondering what's happened. It's an unfortunate situation that many homeowners encounter, and we empathise with your frustration. A reliable window cleaner should be someone that you can count on for regular maintenance and top-notch results. When they suddenly disappear, it disrupts your routine and you're back to square one searching for a new service provider. At RedClean, we recognise the significance of trust and dependability in our customer relationships. We understand that you invite us into your homes to enhance your living spaces, and we take that responsibility seriously. So why choose RedClean? Commitment to communication. At RedClean, open and transparent communication is the foundation of any successful business relationship. When you start your service with us, we provide you with all the necessary details, including a rough date of your visit. The day before we're due to visit your property, you'll receive an automated text from us so that you know that we'll be calling. We also make it easy for you to contact us with questions or concerns during office hours. Punctuality and professionalism. We respect your time and understand that you have a busy schedule. When we commit to window cleaning appointments, we honour it, and we're ultra reliable. Our team arrives promptly, fully equipped with all the necessary tools and equipment. With RedClean, you can count on a professional team that treats your home with the utmost care. Consistency and quality. One of the hallmarks of RedClean is our unwavering commitment to delivering top-notch window cleaning services. Whether it's your first appointment or your 100th, we maintain the same level of quality in our work. With us, you can expect gleaming, streak-free windows that will impress you every time. Trustworthy and fully trained technicians. We understand that inviting strangers into your home can be a concern. Rest assured, all our technicians undergo thorough training. You can trust the RedClean team to be reliable, honest, and dedicated to providing exceptional window cleaning experiences. Centric approach. At RedClean, our customers are at the heart of everything we do. Your satisfaction is our primary goal, and we go above and beyond to exceed your expectations. We listen to your feedback and consider your preferences, tailoring our services to meet your specific needs. Choosing a window cleaning company that can be trusted and relied upon is essential for a stress-free and enjoyable experience. We understand the frustration of dealing with disappearing service providers, and that's why we at RedClean make it our mission to be a reputable and reliable company that you can count on. From open communication to consistent quality and a customer-centric approach, we strive to stand out in the industry. When you choose RedClean, you're not just getting a window cleaning service, you're gaining a team of dedicated professionals who take pride in enhancing the beauty and comfort of your home. So the next time you need your windows cleaned, put your worries aside and reach out to RedClean for an experience that will leave your windows gleaming and your trust in service providers restored. Thank you for being a part of the RedClean family. Until next time, keep those windows sparkling and bright.